Welcome to the How Do You channel. Please click like and the subscribe button.
In today's video, I am going to answer that question: how do you replace the cabin air filter in a 2013 Honda Pilot? The part number that I'm using is a TYC 800003P. I will have that part number in the comments below. This should take no more than 3 minutes. Most of that time is from unpacking the filter from the shipping package. Changing your filter will provide cleaner air for your passengers and enhance your vehicle's AC performance. So let's get started. The filter is located behind the glove compartment. Open the glove compartment and push inwards on both sides. This will disengage the retainer arm from the glove box cover. Push the two tabs on the filter access door and slide out the filter frame. Remove the old filter, install the new filter into the frame. Ensure that the airflow arrow is pointing downwards. Reinstall and close the glove box.